Hey, they say one man's soul. You wanna take this to say to one man's soul. What am I even singing? Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year 2025. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm coming live and clear from Mombasa, Kenya, and this is Pirates Beach, or we can call it Jomo Kenyatta International Beach. Is it International Beach? Let me not mislead you, because this is a new year and today is another special day like no other days, because it actually occurs once in 366 days, in which is the first day that marks the first day of 366 days of this year. Is it a leap year or another year? Huh? For the mathematicians and for those who knows how to balance the calendars, please comment down below, and we want to know what's happening. So please, I don't want to make it a lot of time, but I want to just wish you a happy new year, and of course a very prosperous one. And please so much subscribe. Thank you so much for 23,000.8 subscribers, and I really appreciate that for you guys, because you are the people, you are the family that you have really made me who I am today. So actually we are now on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and of course by the end of this year, let's even hit 100,000 subscribers. From my mouth to God's ears. So this day today, I want to show you the most populated beach in Kenya or in the world when it comes to the terms of festives like now, because I missed on the Christmas day, but this one come with me and subscribe and show some love. And of course, of all people, from first subscriber to the last subscriber of 23,000.888, please show some love and know that I love you from the bottom of my heart. And of course this year is always happiness. Let's go. And of course, don't really get surprised with CJ, why are you going on the beach with this kind of attires? It's because I was moving up and down, and I was like, no, let me just go and scramble and see what's happening. Here it's scramble and partition in this other end. In that regard, therefore, let's see you at the beach with how people have just decorated themselves, putting on new clothes, putting on new makeup, putting on new everything. What CJ, what new do you have? The new face. Let's go and check. All right. All right guys, as you see, this is actually the start, and when we are moving in here, you just see people putting on new clothes and everything, of course new hairstyle and everything. And yeah, let's keep on moving. And we are moving over here with Charlie B. And Charlie B, do you want to join the WhatsApp group? You see, new clothes?
Because you see, everyone is wearing a new clothes here.
New clothes, new hairstyle?
Yeah, except you and me. I don't know why. But we are locals.
We are locals here.
Yeah.
So let's move to visitors. Okay. Yeah. So guys, this is the most populated beach actually from this coastal part of Kenya. That is Mombasa area. And also, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. And if you people, you really have what you call like the coastal parts or in the beach areas, let us know. Is it really congested the way it is? Here people come from different parts of Kenya, or different parts of the zones of different areas. Oh, mambo vipi? Nakuona. Unaitwa nani sasa wewe?
Mimi naitwa Zila Boy.
Zila Boy. Happy New Year Zila Boy.
Abduali.
Abduali.
Sana.
Safi safi. Naona Driu and Amiri. Mwaka unasemaje?
Mwaka ndio.
Mwaka che.
Angalia umekubali.
Umefurahiaje kuona mwaka 2025?
Tunashukuru Mungu sana, tuko wazima kwa kitu cha kwanza.
Oh, na mdogo wako? Ametinga rendi the tia. Umedamshi leo ndio ile siku.
Leo ndio ile siku.
Okay. How is life in Coastal?
Life cheki. Mungu tu.
Mungu tu. It's God maze. Okay man, what's your name bro?
I'm Alan.
Alan. Oh, happy new year.
Happy new year.
How are you?
Fine.
You're good?
Oh.
Hapa. Nafikiri yuko mtu. Okay. Yes, mister. Mambo vipi? I see Rastafari.
This is a Jamaican man.
Jamaican man.
Yeah.
Oh man, how are you?
Fine.
You good? You fine? What's your name?
My name is Joseph.
You're Joseph. Oh, I'm also Joseph, right here. So nice meeting you, bro. Your name says, I see you're putting on Tupac Shakur.
Only God can judge me.
How do you see this Happy New Year, like 2025?
So good.
Yes,
Yes.
it's so good.
Yeah.
How was 2024 in general? Like, how was 2024 compared to this?
It was very tough.
It was very tough.
Yeah, but
Want to see this 25 hours?
It will take you.
Yes.
All right, man. Nice meeting you, and I wish you a happy New Year and a prosperous
you don't
one.
know your
Right?
name.
My name is Claude Joseph.
Wow,
You can
nice
check
name.
me also on YouTube, Claude Joseph.
Claude Joseph.
Yes, Claude Joseph. Thank you. Nice meeting you guys.
Okay.
Okay, man. Sharp, sharp. All right. Enjoy your day. All right, guys. So this you'll be able to see how familiar and how friendly people are around here in 2025. Actually, as I told you, this 2025, it's a new vibe. Charles B.
Yeah.
What do you think? 2025?
Will be a year of prosperity.
Pro?
What can I say that word?
Prosperous.
Yeah, prosperity.
Or prosperity.
Prosperity.
Okay.
Yeah.
So prosperity of 2025 and new vibe. And of course, guys, we will be sharing with you what's happening over here. It's a mixture of each and every person around. You'll be seeing Swahili, mixture of coastal, mixture of everybody. But all in all, we are here, man. Let's keep on moving and exploring, and we wanna see how life is. Ensure you subscribe here at Claude Joseph. And of course, people from the beach, they are enjoying what they have eaten. As you have seen, most of the people have been complaining about 2024, but we can't really complain because let me show you much of 2025, the new vibe of 2025, how everything is around. Enjoy. It's really nice. Wow. I wish I had my selfie stick, but it's not around. It will be very nice and bright. That's how you see it, how it's going. Do you know the singer of that song, the artist?
Yeah, Jose Chameleon.
Jose Chameleon. Quick recovery, Jose Chameleon. Jose Chameleon, quick recovery, my bro. You really inspire us, man. We listen to your music. So this is what you tend to see over here, guys. Oh my God, a lot of people. Now we are approaching the beach, and this is how you tend to see.
Kuwa makini na mwanao, utakapokuwa umekaa wewe, kaa na mtoto wako. Tunakwambia tunakupeleka pole pole. Tunakwambia tuko hapa.
You see where I am, bro? Oh, okay. Let's keep on moving. We're pushing ourselves to the limits of where we can see and check. But I'm just bringing you live to this area, and you wanna see how populated this area is. It's music and everything. This is what you tend to see here. Maybe somebody who knows me will just see me and say, "Hey, Claude, I see you." But you just tend to see. Stuff in your pockets, brother.
I'm very keen.
Be very keen with your something in your pockets, okay? Alright. End of the road.
Yeah, now you are approaching the water.
The waters, okay? Let's try and see. This water is just you can imagine. I don't know even where should I take. Which route should I take? Left, right? Left, the right route, right? Oh man.
Now I'm going
Hey,
to be a bodyguard.
the water is coming. Look guys, this is the water over here and you can see a lot of the legs. Oh man. Woohoo! Oh no man, look at my shoes. Oh. You can just check out my shoes guys. We just there's a crazy what we call like there's oversee of this. And let's just check.
Muangaliane.
In Africa, I can regard this in Africa as one of the most populated what we call like beach ever. As you can see. Hey, wengi mno jomba. Safi. Uko poa lakini. Yeah, guys. Look guys. This is water. You might get to see which is kind of the water and which is not water. Absolutely. Sorry. Oh my god. Where? Oh, come on, man. Johnny B, look at my shoulder. Oh man, it's crazy. Very strong. Very strong actually. But let's keep on see if we will manage. Oh no, man. If you really know that your beach is really yo. Actually here you not see kids, not big people, not elderly. Everybody is enjoying his own thing, and yeah, let's keep having a moving way. What is this? Hey. Let's keep on moving and see, alright? Okay. Let's move guys, alright. And it's really a live way. You know, sometimes people show you this is the reality, but this is the real reality actually. In another terms, they always say the ocean is dirty, but now this is how it means to be. The ocean is dirty. In Swahili, they say bahari imechafuka. Oh my God. People enjoy from what they experience from this so far. You're confused.
This is the first time to see that large cloud of people gathering here.
Oh, it's a very huge magnitude, guys. And everyone is enjoying actually, as you see. No matter what, I had just to come and share with you what's happening on this end. And everybody's enjoying the move of water. Everybody, hopefully this place, they have a control of what we call like beach boys, you know? Because, hey. Hey, Happy New Year 2025, guys. It's amazing. Hey, Jamaica. Oh my God. Oh. Yo. Hey. Oh no, man. And this is what you tend to see all the way through to this other end. Let's keep on moving and we'll see. On this end, but mostly people are really moving in a supersonic speed.
Today I'm just being your bodyguard.
Okay.
To ensure that everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
Yeah,
oh no, guys, you just see. If you really know that the beach life, this is the real beach life, because most of the people that you see all around here, they come from different zones. and this is the most populated beach ever in the world. Let's say so. This can be the most populated beach in the world. Oh no. And enjoying here or in the rest like of the time, like now we wanna check, it's almost 6, but people have been really enjoying this amazing water over here. And for sure when I see this kind of magnitude, I thank God for the great work that he has done. And you see people are enjoying 2025, which means that it will be one of the best, greatest year of all the years around. On 2024, people were really enjoying on Christmas Day, but were not as much as today, as you see on this other end. Starting on my left side, you check on the other end, also on this end. They always say in Swahili, watu wamejaa kama mchanga wa bahari, which means people have been here as much as the sand beaches. All right, let's keep on moving. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, wow, wow. Everyone is having his own great time. We don't even have time to swim.
Hey, today I'm not even going to swim.
You. Oh my God. Look there. No. Sorry. It's really crazy, guys, but hopefully we will manage to move around and see how everything is around on this end. This is the most populated beach, actually, called Pirates Beach or Jomo Kenyatta Beach over here in Mombasa, Kenya. You can just check also on my trousers. Wow. The motion, the commotion of this area is really crazy. I hope you came with best shoes.
I came here with the best shoes.
Okay.
I don't know you. What are you thinking when you just wearing that you are just going to a wedding?
I never imagined that this could be this way.
Oh.
Yes. So that's why I just put on as if I'm going to the wedding.
Yeah.
Wow. Be careful with your pockets, bro.
Here I am very careful.
Okay.
I'm very careful.
Okay. This is the best. Hold this for me. So very crazy to be around here, but people really are enjoying this new year, which is the best festive actually to start the year 2025. I'm impressed with this is like they have paramedics over here, which like we have beach boys and those people who take care of emergencies during a time when maybe somebody is drowning. We have some medics over here. I saw one putting on a reflector of St. John ambulance, which is really, I'm really even having a hope that everything is now hope and security is top notch. All right, let's go. keeping an eye to each and every person. If you have a kid over here, keeping an eye is the best important key. Woo! Oh my god. And the water is so warm. Actually, someone to convince me that this is not the most populated beach in the world. Comment down below, and please hit me up, and by subscribing also and liking this video, and of course let's keep on sharing this. We actually came from more than a kilometer, and still, as you can see, we have a lot of people still swimming, enjoying their lives, some buying, some selling, but let's keep on enjoying. Some have been doing what we call like detoxing, which is very nice. Wow, village boys and village girls, we are here. Oh wow. I wish I came with my stand, but now my stand is not around. Oh no. This is the best. It's called Pirates, guys. If you have ever heard of Pirates, this is Pirates. It's called Pirates Beach. The best and the greatest. Easy. Somebody to convince me with the most populated beach apart from these Pirates of Kenya. This is the most populated beach ever in Africa. Mombasa, Kenya. This is where people say it has one of the best happiness and excitement. It's over here. Here, if you have a drone, you just really enjoy the breeze. the really reality show on this side. Everybody is having is on the great side. This human thing can just bite you. You can be really surprised. Now people are being chased away from the water because it's almost 6. So there is what we call like they are being told to be out of the water because there are some heavy currents coming from the other side, or heavy waves. So it's time for everybody to go home. Where is even the space? Sorry. Oh my God! Look at these people. Even me, I'm a small kid, guys. I have to move from this end to the other end. But this is what you tend to see. Now it's time for them to go back home. So those are the Red Cross people, guys. They are now trying to tell people to get away from the beach so that they can clear up. Actually, you see, there's a red boat right there, the rescue team. So they're trying to tell people to move away from the beach so that they can be moving and they check what's happening on this other end. Oh, it's really crazy and amazing to be around here. Easy busy. Say easy busy. Easy busy. Oh my God. Check on your pockets, bro. Yeah.
I'm very keen.
Yeah. I've never saw something like this, guys. People, a lot. Simamia hapo mcha. Simamia, shikilia, usikate. A lot. The whistle you hear, guys, the whistle you hear, people are being told to get out of the water because now it's time to clear out people from the water, you know. Time to go home, time for people to go home, but for that let me just go one round. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Easy busy. Vamos ver, boss. You see, those are the police officers. Because the waters have been like crazy. They're really trying to do the rescuing team on the other end. So the beach is clear. Reason being the water, the waves are really heavy. The waves are really heavy. Let's go this side. The security is very tight on the other end, as you see. They are really whistling up. Let's try and see. Oh, we have been told that the kid has lost. The kid has lost, so they want to just check. They are going in water to do some checking up. Whether they just get a kid over here, I don't know. That's why they are clearing up. If you really care, hey man, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Very good.
You're good?
I'm Mustafa.
Stefan,
Yes.
I'm seeing you're doing some video. Yeah, for TikTok?
Yeah.
Alright man, great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Claude.
Yes.
Yeah, you can check me on YouTube, Claude Joseph.
Club Joseph?
Yes.
I'll look for you.
Thank you
and
so
I'll
much.
Subscribe, eh?
Okay, well, how is the year 2024? How was it?
It was very tough.
Yes.
But we thank Almighty God, we are fine.
You are fine.
Some must go, but it's very simple.
And how is this year 2025? How do you see it?
We expect good things from Almighty God.
Okay.
We trust in Almighty God.
Yes.
What we need is very simple. Eh?
Wow, man. Thank
Government
you.
to do its work.
Yes.
And we Kenyans, we have to work hard. Eh?
All right,
The
man.
best thing.
Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you a happy new year.
Thank you.
With a lot of prosperity. All right.
Yes.
Okay, man.
I'm very happy.
Thank you so much, bro.
What's your name, by the way?
My name is Claude Joseph.
Claude Joseph?
Yes, C-L-A-U-D-E. Then Joseph.
Yes.
Thank
I'll
you.
be there.
All right, let me move this way and I see
Yeah.
how everything is on this other
You are free, you
end.
can go.
We Kenyans wear a lot.
We are a lot. Actually, Ruto must go. No. We have money. Kenyans have money. Hatuna shida na Ruto.
Okay, let's move, guys. Actually, sometimes I'm tending to check and see how life is, trying to ask people their opinions about how life is in Kenya and how they are seeing how was 2024 and how is 2025 so far for the first day of 2025. And they are like 2024 was tough. Woo, sorry. They were like 2024 was tough, but they are really trying for it to see how it is. Okay. Let's try and see. They are announcing there that somebody has lost 2 kids in the water. I don't know. Maybe it's misplacement of kids. Oh, sorry. But somebody to just, oh, so this is the zone of Red Cross. And this time shows you no swimming, mostly. Most of this. So the swimmers, the divers have really gone into deep to sea. Most crowded here. We can just feel a lot. Imagine these are kids. Imagine, guys, and mix of kids and other people. Huh? This is the time that I'm really shocked. Oh man, people came to enjoy life, you know. Lifesavers are whistling. Hi, how are you? Tabang, have you got a ring on you? Motor or ring on you?
Goliath.
I think it was So actually guys, we are in this other end of the best beach. Sorry for the wind because it's really blowing up much, but I had to do this video to just come and show you how people really celebrate this first day of the year 2025, and of course how populated this place is during this time or during this festive time. So as you see, all the way it makes an arc, a very huge arc on the other end, and how people are really crowded on this other end. Let me know in the comment section, like, are they the same as your other beaches where you come from, or is it only in Kenya where you see this kind of behavior, this kind of happiness all around over here? So subscribe, like, share, and I really appreciate. Wish you a happy new year with prosperity and more life happiness. So let's keep on exploring, and we'll be ending this video over here. Bring your hand, you'll get lost, bro. Yeah, so you have to walk this. You'll get lost, bro. You know, I have to be an eye keeper. You'll get lost. So, look, even this guy is enjoying Happy New Year. How are you, bro? You good? Happy New Year, man. Sorry. Easy peasy. So this is the boat for rescue team. They search for rescue, actually. They search and rescue. So they're trying to see and check. Happy New Year, bro.
The first time.
Your first time.
You see these kind of people here.
Okay. It's a huge magnitude of people, right? Very a lot.
I wonder what's happening here.
You wonder?
Because everyone is just rushing to pirate.
It's 2025.
Yeah.
So I think now it's end of this time, so we have to move. Will you be able to maneuver here? So it's really crowded, so let's keep on moving and we check on this other end. We came to see water. We just came from the village to come and see water, how water is, and we have checked. We have really a lot of water in this one. So of course, all the water that usually runs from our village comes here. Yeah? The water that runs from village rivers, they come here.
Yeah, they just come here.
Okay.
In our village, we have a river like Livahibo. It's rain water to Lake Victoria, then from Lake Victoria to Indian Ocean. And now we are in the Indian Ocean.
So you have seen that, you have checked that.
We never thought that we can reach here, but we are here. We are here in Indian Ocean.
It's by the grace of God, right?
By grace of God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Actually, you have seen how people are a lot here. People are really enjoying their time and their best great time over here. Not music, not everything, but just the best time, like the best time of the year or the best time of the life. You can just imagine, there's some who are moving towards this side and there's some who are moving. I see the best art, guys. It's called art. Wow, that's called artwork. Yeah, very great artwork. Alright.
Something there.
What's up?
Which is moving around.
It's called merry-go-round.
Oh, that is merry-go-round.
Yeah, you want to go and go around?
No, I'm not.
If you're interested, I can take you go around.
Don't think me children, mister.
I don't think you children.
Don't think me children.
Oh, you are there? Okay, there's people shouting at you. You are there? All right, man. You can just conclude this. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
A lot of people here.
A lot. I've seen. Even I went to the water. Look.
Whoa. The water is.
Hey, the water is a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Not like the one we are drinking. Soma wind.
Soma wind is
a lot of waves.
A lot of waves.
Moving this way. Anyway.
Yeah, we are in coast.
Yeah,
coast region.
In Bamburi. Pirates.
It's pirates.
Jomo Kenyatta Beach.
Yeah, Jomo Kenyatta Beach.
It's actually, tell them it's a public beach.
Yeah.
You don't want to pay. It's just free.
Just for free.
All right, man.
But if you want some snacks, you must buy.
You must go in the pocket.
Your money are expensive. Yeah.
All right, guys. Yes. The wishes that
I wish you all the best in this year.
Yes.
May God
and
you protect you.
We chill.
You see this?
Yes.
Having fun 2025.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, man. Check you and
See this man here?
Yes.
This man, yeah, exchanging. Fire.
They're eating fire.
Yeah, they're eating fire.
In 2025.
No. They're eating fire.
They're eating fire.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Why? You don't know why.
You are eating fire.
They're eating fire. What is this? What is this?
Fire.
Jamaican man. Jamaican man. Yeah,
All right,
Jamaica.
bro.
Okay.
Thank you so much again.
Okay.
Wish you all the best.
You're
man.
welcome.
Thank you, man. Wagwan. The guy who is eating fire. Yes, YouTube.
We have seen fire eaters here.
Somebody eating fire. Actually, that guy has made my day, guys. And actually, it's evening time and it's time for everybody to go back home. But still, there are those who over here, and also there's a Mzungu preaching over here. So let's try and see and check on the other end.
You don't believe it's God. You don't see God in it. Watu wanapigwa na mapigo ya Mungu, lakini hawaamini ni Mungu, na matakana mjue ya kwamba ni Mungu anawapiga. God loves you. He's gonna take away your dreams. He's gonna plague you in your life to get your attention because there's idols in your heart. Because you're loving other things besides Him.
Yeah, so guys, I wanna say thank you so much for watching this video till to the end. I really appreciate your love and support, and now I'm really much happy to see a lot of people this way enjoying and having their best quality time over here. And of course, show some love by subscribing, liking and sharing. Remember, road to 30,000 subscribers, and this is the best time. All right. Alright, Charlie B.
Yeah.
Let's say bye-bye from this side, man.
Yeah, bye
Bye guys.
bye.
See you guys. Yeah. Happy New Year. Enjoy your time, alright? Okay guys.